Right, so good morning everyone, welcome back to GD and Son channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone. Finally hit 3k subscribers, and I never thought I'd be in this position, and it's you guys and girls that are liking the videos, leaving me comments and sharing it and all that good stuff, which is making this channel what it is today. So I really appreciate everyone for taking the time to subscribe to my channel and watching my videos. So today is a non-ferrous day mainly. We're going to be running a load in. It's not the biggest load in the world, but it will be a couple £100 at least. Last week was quite a bad week for me because of all the snow. I couldn't really get out of my road, so I didn't get out to do a lot of street scrapping. Didn't earn that much money, so sort of looking to just try and get as much money as possible this week and make up for the bad week we had last week. So we will be doing a competition today. It's going to be called the 3k giveaway. So yes, we will be giving you some more information about that, but it's going to be coming up later on in the video, so make sure you watch the video throughout to find out the rules and how to enter. So yeah, thought I'd just come out and do a little bit of street scrapping this morning, have a little drive around, have a little gander at these side roads, see if there's anything up and down them. Got to shoot around my mum's house and go and grab some aluminium that I've got in her garage, and then that'll be all of my non-ferrous loaded up, and then we'll show you roughly what we've got and obviously tell you how to enter in the competition. So yeah, let's just have a little drive around for a couple of hours, see what we can find. We'll go get the metal and then we'll keep you updated, so let's do it. Doobie doobie doobie. First find is a washing machine. A lovely motor in there for us. Yeah, so I tried to leave it a bit later this morning to come out. I did get up at the crack of dawn, as always, but I decided to just go downstairs, respond to a few comments on the YouTube channel, because it's something I love doing, seeing all the comments come up from everyone. So I decided to sit there and reply to a load of them, and yeah, now we're coming out scrapping for a bit. So right, this one's upside down. I don't usually do them upside down, so, but it will make life a lot easier when it comes to taking that motor out. Right, so we'll cut the cord whilst we're here, purely for the fact that we're running some cording today, so any extra will help. This looks like a hot one. Not sure, couldn't see a make. So anyway, nice washing machine. So we've got some motors down here as well to go in, so we'll smash that one off and add it to the collection. I've got another barrel to go up there of aluminium, bucket of brass over there ready to take in. I'll probably snip up that cord as well on the floor, just so I've got none lying around. It's not much of it, just a little bit of extension cord or something like that. Right, so we've just been in the garage and got some diesel. Still not a lot of power, so we're going to head over to my mum's garage now and go and get the aluminium ready for resale, and also have a little scan around that area whilst we're there, might as well. So basically, I have been tipped off last night about a boiler. Now, it's still there because I drove past it this morning, but it's been left right up by the lady's front door. Now, although the plumber knows I'm going to go and collect it, and he's told the woman in the house I'm going to go and collect it, I still didn't want to do that at like 6 o'clock in the morning, so decided to leave it this morning, as it's in quite a little secluded area. Scrappers don't usually go that way, but you know, knowing my luck, they probably have today. So we will grab that on the way back. I've got to shoot back to my house quickly anyway and go and use the toilet and that before I go up to the scrapyard. So we'll shoot off home and we'll grab that boiler on the way if it's still there. And yeah, then we'll let you know about the competition, how to enter, what the rules are, etc. And we'll go from there. So if I don't check you beforehand, I'll see you at the garage. I apologise about the wind. Very windy out here. Looks like another washing machine. Could be a tumble, but yeah, that's tumble drop. Still, all adds up. All adds up. Right, so we're not far from the garage now. We'll go in there, I'll show you what we've got aluminium wise, and then we'll give you some information about this competition. Right, so we've moved the bucket out now, that's all gone. Just got these last little few bits to chuck on, and then I'll show you how to enter the competition. So I am seriously thinking about investing in a storage unit. I'm going to go around and have a look at one local to me, check out a few prices, see the sizes of them. You know, just working in this garage is just terrible. I mean, if I'm going to start trying to get a few pallets in every now and again as well, you know, the extra storage space would come in really helpful. Plus, obviously, I've got some stuff in my garage, pressure washing bits and pieces, you know, which cost me a lot of money. So I don't want them getting damaged or things getting thrown on top of them, you know, so might be worth going around and having a little look. But we are going to get tidied up in here soon. We've got a lot of that junk at the back there. We're going to come through, throw all the rubbish on my van to get rid of. Some of it's our stuff that needs to go around our house if it's not gone mouldy in here. And tidy it up as best as we can. And then we will try and see what space we have got. I might be able to use this. You know, this fridge is going as well on the 10th of March. So yeah, just little bits and pieces like that getting tidied up and going from there. So anyway, I'll get this alley loaded up and I'll get back to you. Right, so boiler's still here. Let's go and grab it and take a look at it. Just slide it down there for now. So it's still no lead wash radiator, but we can see quite a few nice bits of copper and brass. Some more bits down there. I'll even take a bit of rubbish as it's my neighbour. yeah, circuit board on there as well. We'll have that away. That would probably be alley, but it'd need cleaning up. A little bit for the shred pile. Tiny bit of copper, which will go in. We've got a couple of bits. The rubbish we just put at the front for now. A little bit more shred as well. As I say, this bit here probably would be alley. Little 90-degree bend, but it does need cleaning up. So for me, just going with the shred pile. Right, so we'll just cover this back over. Yeah, as I say, it's not a lead wash. I haven't had a lead wash one in a long time. Not sure about this cylinder. I imagine it's going to be stainless. I'm not sure how much cleaning up requires of it. So it'll be fun to check that one out. I might check it out in a video one day. I'll do a video of me breaking it down. But now, anyway, a couple of minutes. For you, it's instant. Let's go to my house and have a cup of coffee. Right, so here's the load we've got to run in today. The majority of it's going to be aluminium. We've got all these bits and pieces here running all the way down the side of the van. We've got a bucket here filled up with different aluminium bits. There's another bucket on the other side there. It's not as full, but it's still got quite a bit in it. So yeah, the bulk of it is all alley. We've got a couple of car batteries down here, a little piece of lead, an array of different motors, a couple of transformers out of the microwaves, and motors out of the washing machines. Little builder's bucket filled up with insulated copper wire, and then basically just some stainless steel. I know this bit here is not stainless, it's going to go as irony alley, but the rest of this stuff here, we've got a sink underneath there, a sink there, a few little off-cut bits, all going as stainless steel. This is quite a big heavy boiler as well. Well, it came out of the boiler, sorry. I think it's like the heat exchange. So yeah, in there, that's the bucket of alley, a little bit less full, probably about half full, for offcuts. And then also we've got a bucket of copper, all different bits of copper in there. That's all clean copper. It's going to go as heavy copper, so just for your working out skills. So that's all what we've got on. And also, sorry, yeah, as well, at the front of the van, sitting up next to me, is a small bucket or small tub of brass. So different things, taps, offcuts, all that's going to be going as brass. So basically that is what we've got to take down, and I'm going to tell you what the rules of the competition are. Right, so the rules of the competition are quite simple. You just need to try and guess the total combined weight of all the non-ferrous items that I've just shown you. So work it out in your head, write down a bit of paper and send it over in the comment section below. Please use your estimate as kg. So if you are in the States or anywhere where you're using pounds as your conversion, please convert pounds into kilograms and write it down for me in kilograms, so I haven't got to convert it. So we're going to run the competition until Saturday, so it's open for about 3 days, so you've got a chance to get in. Obviously we're going to be giving away the cup that you've already just seen, and I'll ship it anywhere you want. So please, only one guess per person. I don't want to see like multiple guesses. If I do, unfortunately I have to remove from the competition. It's not me being funny, it's just obviously, you know, everyone is in the chance to win it, and I don't want people doing multiple guesses and actually getting the right answer. So We're going to run it sort of like what we've done last time. So if you get the correct answer, obviously you will be the winner. If you get your joint with someone and 2 or 3 people get the correct answer, I'll put the 2 or 3 names into a hat and I'll draw them on the camera so you can see it's all being done properly, and we'll pick a winner like that. If no one gets the actual combined weight, or like on the, you know, bang the nail on the head basically, then we will obviously go to the closest person. So I hope all that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please drop it in the comments below and I will try and explain it a bit more further. And good luck everybody. Right, so we've just pulled in the scrapyard now. We're going to unload the mixed iron first, and then we're going to jump on the scales because it looks like it's quite busy for non-ferrous today. So we're going to get off this mixed iron and then we will get weighed up. Hey?
Hold up, mate.
Muscles.
No, I'm not that muscly. Hey, let's go.
Just the 2 batteries, yeah. Yeah, just that bit, mate. Just that for wire, yeah. That's it for motors.
Stainless on the other one, yeah?
Yeah, stainless on the other one, yeah. one more little bucket. You want all this in there? The rest of that's all alley now on there. Hey?
You missed that.
Oh, is it stainless?
Yeah. You didn't good enough.
Nah. Just that bucket as well now, but it's heavy. Alright. Yeah, sweet. Cheers, G. Everyone, so we've just finished in the scrapyard and we are heading home now. So I just want to quickly say, 8 PM over in Sittingbourne, what an excellent place to take your scrap metal to. Now, I spoke to the guy Gareth a little while ago and he basically said to me, bring down your scrap metal in one big load, non-ferrous wise, and we'll give you a better price. So instead of bringing it in little, you know, a kilo here, a kilo there, save it all up so you've got a big load of it, bring it down, it'll give you a better price. And he wasn't lying. I got some absolutely amazing prices on that metal. I can't really dive too much into it because obviously we're going to be running the competition. However, what I'll tell you is we got for that load £405.72. So that's what the full total amount was. 360 kg of that was mixed iron and it come to about 60 odd pounds. So you're just trying to guess the total weight of all the non-ferrous items that we took down to the scrapyard. So we showed it on the video earlier on. You may have seen me unload some of it. So just drop your guesses in the comment section below of how much you think it weighed in kilograms. And I will then respond to you and just tell you, like, good, I'll probably just respond as good luck or something like that. And that'll mean you're in the draw. I'll write everyone's guesses down and I will pick through and find the winner or the closest winner on Saturday night. And then I'll announce the winner on Sunday. So that is it for this video, guys and girls. If you liked the video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. And good luck with the competition, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Take care.